Magandang araw sa inyo mga bay, welcome back ulit sa ating channel at update lang tayo sa PBA team standings ng All Filipino Cup ng Season 48 ng PBA. So tingnan natin yon kung sino yung nangunguna sa standings as of March 18, 2024. Okay, so number 1 sa standing natin mga bay, ang San Miguel Beermen with 2 wins and 0 losses. Kakasimula lang ng season nila kasi kakagaling lang nila sa championship. Okay? And 2-0 kagad sila. Sinusundan naman sila ngayon ng Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots with 1 wins and 0 losses. So yung dalawang teams na naglaban sa championship last conference is sila na lang yung wala pang talo sa All Filipino Cup ngayong season na to. Okay, so top 2 sila. Sinusundan naman sila, nasa third spot ang NLEX Road Warriors with 4 wins and 1 losses. Northport Batang Pier naman with 3 wins and 1 loss. Barangay Ginebra naman, pang-5 with 2 wins and 1 loss. Sunod naman dyan, pang-6 ang Kira Firma Jeep na maganda yung pinapakita nila ngayong season na to with 3 wins and 2 losses. Kasama na dyan ang Blackwater Elite with 3 wins and 2 losses din. So magkadikit lang sila sa standings. Next naman dyan ang TNT Tropang Giga with 2 wins and 2 losses. Habang Meralco Bolts naman ay may 2 wins and 3 loss. At ang Phoenix Fuel Masters ay may 1 win at 3 losses. At ang Rain or Shine naman, Elasto Painters at Converge Fiber Xers ay nasa baba ng standings with 1 win and 4 loss. At ang Converge Fibers with 0 wins and 5 losses. So wala pang panalo yung Converge mga bay. So yan yung updated PBA team standings natin as of March 18, 2024. Maraming salamat sa panonood.